Do you want to know another name for July in Irish? Here in Donegal, we usually say Miúil for July, but we have another term as well, Súl Siar, and that literally means the month of the sunken eyes or the fallen back eyes. And it comes from a time when, a long time ago, when last year's crops would be used up by now, and the potatoes, and there'll be scarcity of food, and basically means that your eyes will be going back in your head with hunger. So they have cohocrags go rahun the Súl Siar the Gyon la hocras. But so yeah, it's just an alternative name for July, and you wouldn't hear it in too many places. So instead of Miúil, higlat Súl Siar fosta. There's a few other terms as well for July in County Donegal Irish, and if you're interested, give me a follow and I'll put them up.